In this video we are going to talk about earning $500 watching YouTube videos. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Earn money by watching videos, and you'll get paid $500 in 2021 if you keep doing so. This is going to be available to everyone in the world, YouTube app payment proof. Do you enjoy movies and consider yourself to be something of a movie Jedi? What if I told you that you would no longer be required to pay to watch a movie in a theater? Would you be interested? If you believe it or not, it is true that you can get paid to watch videos and movies, whether you want to or not. It is possible to earn up to $500 per month for simply sitting at home and watching videos and movies on your computer, if you are serious about it. With this article, I'd like to explain how to make money by watching videos, and how the process works. In what currency do they pay you your fees and wages? And, perhaps most importantly, is it really worth your time to invest your efforts in it or not? Please join me in getting the festivities underway. What is the most efficient method of earning money while watching videos? Start by searching for websites and apps that provide videos for you to watch. This is the quickest and most straightforward way to get started with video watching. In order to use the sites, you must first register with them, then agree to their terms and conditions, and then complete the tasks that are assigned to you. However, while each of these sites will compensate you for your time spent watching videos, some of them will also provide you with opportunities to earn money by completing surveys or taking part in challenges. Some businesses even provide referral or sign-up bonuses to entice new customers. Your ability to maximize your earnings is dependent on your ability to take advantage of all relevant opportunities. However, while the vast majority of sites will pay you in cash, some will only allow you to redeem your earnings for gift cards or other similar rewards, rather than cash. Consider the following piece of advice. If you want to make more money, consider signing up to multiple sites, so that you can earn money on a consistent basis. How much money can you make? For most online jobs, the amount of money you make is directly proportional to the amount of time you put in. This is also true for this one. Depending on how much time you spend watching videos on a daily basis, it is possible to earn between $100 and $500 per month across a variety of apps and websites if you do so consistently. It is possible that you will earn less money if you are inconsistent with your video watching efforts. According to the estimates, the estimated hourly earnings per video will range between $2 and $5 per video, depending on the length. During the time that the earnings figure is being computed, despite the fact that the pay is a little low, you can make money while watching your favorite television shows. Consider the following scenario. You're watching basketball in the afternoon and decide to open one of the apps while the game is still being broadcast on television. Over the course of the 3-hour game, you have the potential to earn $8. It is possible to earn an additional $2 if you watch another television show, such as American Got Talent, after that. This means that watching television can earn you up to $10 in earnings. The income from this side hustle isn't the highest, but if you do it on 20 different occasions throughout the month, you can earn up to $500 in a month's time. Here is a list of companies that will compensate you for watching videos on their websites. Add Wallet. They entice people like you and me to watch videos by offering rewards in exchange for our time and effort. A text message will be sent to you shortly after signing up, informing you that you need to log into your account in order to watch a short ad or video that has been carefully selected. You can earn more money by taking part in short surveys and answering questions on the internet. Depending on the video, its monetary value can range between 50 cents and $3. From the moment your account balance reaches $10, you can cash out by sending money to someone else or making a donation to a charity. In addition, you can earn $1 for each person who participates you're referring to. Cashkick. Taking paid surveys is the most common way to make money with Cashkick, and it is the most lucrative. It is possible, on the other hand, to be compensated for watching short videos and advertisements on websites. The fact that this is not the primary offering of the company means that opportunities for these may be limited in comparison to other sources of income. As part of the registration process for Kayashkick, you'll be asked to complete a profile survey, which will help us provide you with a better service. If you follow these instructions, you will receive your first $1. If you are eligible for a video offer, you will be able to find it in your dashboard's offers section under the video offers tab. Depending on the offer, the amount of money awarded for each video can range from $0.2.5 to $1.50. Referring your friends and family members to the site can earn you additional rewards if you are a fan of Kashkicks. You will receive a 25% commission on the earnings of each new customer you refer. Earnably. Through the use of this website, you can earn money by watching videos and answering surveys. In order to earn credits that can be redeemed for cash or e-gift cards on its partner site, Hideout.tv, you must watch both videos and a predetermined number of advertisements on the site. In its defense, it claims that the advertisements are easily distinguishable because they are designed to look like regular television broadcasts. Commercials. In order to be able to cash out your rewards, you must first ensure that your Hideout.tv and Earnably accounts are linked together. Once you have registered for both sites, you should be able to access them automatically. Earnably will require you to manually transfer your points from Hideout.tv to Earnably before they can be used in any way. Additionally, if you refer friends and family to the app by using your unique referral link, you will be eligible to receive bonus points. Your referral link will earn you a percentage of their earnings whenever they complete offers and earn money. You will receive a percentage of their earnings whenever they complete offers and earn money. Your extra earnings are never forfeited, and you can increase your earnings even further by taking advantage of promotional codes and other bonuses that Earnably makes available to its customers. TV2. 2TV is a Get Paid To (GPT) application that will compensate you for watching videos on your computer or mobile device. The app is, in fact, a legitimate one that will compensate you with cryptocurrency in exchange for activities such as watching YouTube videos and engaging in other activities. Each and every activity you complete while using the TV2 application counts toward your total. You will receive TTV tokens as a reward. TTV Ethereum tokens can be purchased with tokens obtained through exchange, and these tokens can then be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges in exchange for other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. If you want to withdraw your earnings, you must have earned a minimum of 50,000 tokens, which will then be converted into 50 TTV, in order to do so for the time being. Consider the following: 1 TTV is worth $0.0015 in today's money. As an example, the relationship between the value of TTV and the value of the dollar can change depending on how much the cryptocurrency is currently worth on the market. As a result, you must determine when it is most advantageous to withdraw your earnings, and when it is most advantageous to keep them. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.